Hi, we're the three Stooges and I'm Vincent, and our third Stooge wasn't able to make it. He had a birthday dinner to go to, so that's why he's not here.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit first about how this bridge works?
Okay, so what it does is Dash is going to drive from here, turn, then go on to the ramp part, and then he's going to push this in, which is going to release, and then come up because of the weights back there, and then Dash is going to drive on the bridge and then go off the ramp.
Nice, nice. And what about these characters that you have on the bridge?
They're actually battling. Would you like to finish?
Yes. This is our mech warrior, and this is an evil guy who came and is attacking the mech. He was just minding his own business. This guy is there with the mech. He was going around, and then this guy's the builder. He was working on a bridge repair, but then he saw this guy attacking the mech, so he came up and he's sneaking up on the evil guy.
Okay,
There's
okay.
some stuff going on around here. This guy's chopping up some wood.
All right, nice. All right, well, I'll tell you what, why don't you run your robot? We'll see how it works.